Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We all know that blogging is one of the best ways to make money from home, right? But how are you to identify an area or a topic under which you will start blogging? Well, that's what we'll see today. That is, how can you find your blogging niche? That is our topic for today. So before we start, to all those who are new to our channel, I would like to tell you that we have a blog of our own as well. You can check that out. And the platform that we used for hosting our blog is called Hostinger. In my opinion, it is one of the best websites that helps you host and to create a domain as well. Here, there are three types of plan that they offer, and here if you are planning to start only one blog, then you can go for the basic plan. And if you are planning to operate multiple blogs, then the second plan must be a good option for you. And here you can also get a special discount on using our D entrepreneur coupon code. So that will be beneficial for you. It will reduce your prices. So this is how you can, get a hosting for your blog in case you're thinking of starting one. And I'll give the link for both in the description below. You can check it out there. So, what is a blog? Basically, a blog is a website. It is an informational website that helps people publish various kind of information on various topics. Here, they distribute knowledge. It is basically like an article, you can tell, but it's not exactly an article, but yeah, it is similar to an article. That is what is a blog. Next, what is niche? A niche is a specialized area through which you will serve a particular segment of audience. So, for example, the niche of our channel would be entrepreneurship, making money, and online business. That is what is called niche. So, you'll have to find a niche for your own blog. How can you do that? So, the only way to do that is you must select something that you are most passionate about. It can be any topic like fitness, cooking, skincare, or entrepreneurship, or even about your midnight thoughts, or it can be a daily life blog as well. That is totally up to you. But why do you have to select your passion? This is because blogs, they are nothing but long conversations with people, right? It reflects our knowledge, our opinion, and even the enthusiasm we have related to that topic. And you cannot have long conversations with people about the topic you are not interested in, right? Maybe you can, but only for some time. It's not something that lasts for a long time. So make sure that the topic you select, you are passionate about it. And there might be a time when you feel like you have nothing to write about. Well, that's the time when you have to start working on developing your passion. Yes, passion can also be developed. As they say, passion is something that you find by yourself. The same way, it is also something on which you work upon and you develop. So now that you've found your passion, there are two rules you must always remember. Rule number one, pick up a specific micro niche. But why should you do this? It is because this will help you to serve the underserved audience. That is a specific type of audience. And this will also help you to generate organic traffic to your website. And not only that, the most important thing is that it will help you to get a higher ranking on Google. That is especially because of the type of keywords that you use in your blog. So basically, here what will happen is you are targeting a specific segment of audience, right? And they'll keep coming back to you because they like your content. And not only that, but it will also help you expand. So, for example, let's say that your niche is technology and you're posting something about the latest developments coming up or some tech news and so on. So, the person reading your blog, he will tell his friend about it, right? That let's say both of them are tech enthusiasts, and one friend reads about your blog and he passes on this information to his other friend. So basically, through word of mouth, your traffic will increase, right? So that is good for you. The second rule is you don't have to stick to one niche always. That is, you can very well expand your niche, and it is not necessary that if you've chosen technology, you only have to stick with it. No, you can add up more topics related to it if you want. So for example, like we have our channel, we have three topics that we focus on, right? Like I had mentioned, entrepreneurship, make money, and online business. These are the three areas that we focus on, and not just one. So make sure that your topics have some connection and relation between each other. Don't jump between topics. So let's say you are writing about skincare or fitness one day, and then suddenly you are jumping on to digital marketing or online business. No, that should not be the case. Make sure that the topics that you choose to expand your traffic, to expand your audience, they have some relation between each other. Otherwise it won't make sense, right? So there should be some relatability between the topics that you've chosen. So always remember that your blog topic should be something you're passionate about, and the two rules, that is picking up a specific micro niche, and second one, that is to expand your topic in its related areas. These are the things that you must always keep in mind before you start your own blog. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you've understood some things about blogging, and let us know in the comment section below if you have any other questions about blogging and the field in which you are thinking of starting your own blog. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.